out of your day to enjoy yourself. You enjoy your life, right? It's not work, work, work.
Yeah, absolutely. The main thing about an entrepreneur's life is that you have free time, yet you never have free time. It's a weird balance because I'm thinking about my work 24 hours a day, to be honest. There's always something that's reminding me of it or something I have to do. But at the same time, I have the ability to step aside for a day if I need to travel somewhere and work remotely. So I think it's really important to keep that balance as much as possible with it's very difficult, I'm not going to lie, when you have the pressures of running your own business and being a team leader. It's difficult to get that off your mind and be free of it for an extended period of time, if not impossible.
Right.
But just being able to enjoy the things that you do. I have a beautiful, wonderful girlfriend and a gorgeous dog. We love to go on little trips, whenever we can, and get out to the beach and go golfing, whatever the case may be. When you can take that little chunk of time and allow yourself to recharge, super important for longevity, in my opinion.
I just thought of something. So you've got the pup rug in the background, but you've also extended the brand. I guess this is for the trips. Putting Marley in the back seat, is that the reason for the dog hammock, the other product that you have?
Yeah, so Marley is she's our chief product tester. It's a C-list executive role here. So if she doesn't like it, we don't sell it. And I'm very strict about that. So everything we design, a lot of it comes from our own internal inspiration and Marley, but we love to listen to our customers. We love to listen to our reviews. Anywhere that we have a connection with a customer and they leave feedback, that helps us and inspires us for our current products and future collections. So what you mentioned, Norm, the backseat cover, that came directly from, well, I don't want to get my car dirty. Let's have this product developed. And same can be said for our blanket line. Waterproof blankets aren't a new thing in this world, but what we did is we designed it to look beautiful, to match our pup rug beds, to look great in your home decor, blend in that it doesn't look like a dog blanket, but at the same time it's fully waterproof, it's washable, it has all the necessities that you'd want in a waterproof pet blanket.